Bailey, are you talking to Connor? Yeah?
Come on, Connor, tell your stories.
Bailey, you gonna give Connor kisses? Oh.
Connor, what do you have to say about that?
Connor, you're gonna have to interrupt Bailey because she's not gonna stop.
Come on, Connor, tell your stories.
Connor. Hi, buddy.
Almost there, tell your stories.
It's like I'm being polite, Mom. I'm waiting my turn. Aw, did you drool on Connor?
Almost had kisses.
Aw. Bailey, what do you think of Connor? Aw. Aw. Connor's like, my head's all wet. She's a wet
Connor,
kisser.
that was your first kiss. Granted, it was on the forehead.
Very nice, Bailey. Not too aggressive.
Connor's like, what is going on? You can talk back, Connor. Go ahead.
Connie, you're gonna have to talk over her.
They are so gonna hate us later.
Oh, totally.
Connor. Connor.
I think we're done.
You can talk back. It's okay. There you go. Go ahead, tell your story. Go ahead. She's a girl,
Bailey,
honey. She's not gonna stop talking. Go ahead.
Oh, she's gonna spit up though. There you go, Connor.
Connor, did you say something upset Miss Bailey?
Bailey May.
Connor.
Oh, now you're making Connor cry.
Connor, tell happy stories. Happy stories. Who's a little man?
As soon as I shut off this video camera, you guys are gonna do something so cute.
Big smile for a little man? Or are you gonna cry? Big smiles. Big smiles.